Hi there, just wanted to give you a little update on what I'm working on and what's going on. The Bambu Lab P1S is phenomenal. It's printing amazing. I'm blown away basically. It's great. I actually printed some Old Republic credits and the astronav disk with the coordinates to maybe at Aten. Other than that, I'm also working on some cable clips where you can clip them together and then store them neatly in some slots that you can line them up, that they are neatly organized and don't just fly around. And there's a small and a big clip. Big one obviously for bigger cable like HDMI cables, and a smaller one for your typical USB cables. I'm also working on the X-Wing Cockpit Diorama. This one, these are the files for 1/6 scale. And since the Bambu Lab is running so good, I decided to print this actually. And I want to put this little guy in. That's the little R2D2 from Sphero. And so I already ordered some more filament. Yeah, so I guess next week I begin printing. So see y'all next week with hopefully the first printed parts.